This is a beauty, very cute motorbike just come in. It has a carry box. It has signals and indicators, backlight, very comfortable seating. It also has a baby seat here. I just opened it up, very easy to use. Digital indicator and battery. These are all the key controls. Very nice model. So this is the other model that we have with the roof. It's got two seaters. One is a baby seat. This is the digital display with all the controls on the bike. It has a nice roof to it. Nice model. Looks very nice and cute. It has a carry box also.